Hello everyone and welcome back to Atharshila Coding Classes. Today, I'm super excited to share a fun and creative project with you. We are going to build a doodle app using MIT App Inventor. Let's get started. First thing first, we need to set up our project. Go ahead and open MIT App Inventor in your browser. If you don't have any account yet, you can sign up for free. It takes only few minutes. Once you're logged in, click on Start New Project and name it Doodle Circles. Let's begin by customizing the screen. First, click on the screen 1 in the components list on the right. Change the screen's title to Doodle App. This is what users will see at the top of their screen when they open your app. Next, let's add some visual flair by setting a background image. Now, it's time to add the main interactive element of our application, the canvas. In the palette on the left, find the Drawing and Animation category and drag the canvas component onto your screen. The canvas is where all the magic happens. It's like a diagonal sketch pad. Set the canvas width and height to fill parent so it covers the entire screen. This way users can have plenty of space to draw. Finally, we will add a label component. Drag the label from the user interface category onto your screen. This label, which we will name as status message, will display message or status updates as user interact with the application. Now take one more label which will tell you the information how you have to play this game. Take two buttons from the user interface. One button will be there to check if you have created the required number of circles, and second will provide you the number of circles which you have to create. Lastly, I'm going to select clock from the sensors, which will help us in displaying the number of circles we need to draw for a few seconds and then it will be disappeared. Now let's bring this app to the life with some coding. Switch over to the block section where we will find the app's behavior using visual programming blocks. I have shared the code in the snapshot. With all the blocks in place, it's time to test your application. Click on the Connect and then AI Companion to run your app on the real device. And if you are correct, it will show you the message that you have done it correctly. In case you have done it wrong, it will show you that notification as well. And there you have it, a fully functional application created in MIT App Inventor. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Atharshila Coding Classes for more creative coding projects and tutorials.